Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be talking to you about extended range fuel tanks. You know, today is March the 19th, 2020, and one of the things that we've got going on right now is the COVID-19 or coronavirus epidemic or pandemic that's going on around the country. If you're watching this at this time, you know that our restaurants are shut down. We're here in Kentucky in the Commonwealth. Our restaurants are shut down, bars are shut down. A lot of other face-to-face places that you go are actually shut down at this time. And Adam and I were talking about doing a video today of what we could do to show you maybe a product that we sell that would be helpful to you at this time. And I really think that extended range fuel tanks are probably one of the things that we offer that you should consider for times like this. So we're going to talk through that. This display that we have, this is from our friends at Titan Tanks. Titan Tank makes an extended range fuel tank for almost all of the light duty diesel applications. They are molded plastic tanks. They almost double the capacity of some of these trucks. Now, with you having DEF tanks on the newer trucks, the fuel tanks are getting smaller and smaller just because of space constraints. You know, an extended cab or crew cab truck short bed, you know, you're looking anywhere 28 to 35 gallons on the tank. So you don't get a whole lot of distance out of these tanks. In times like this, when you really don't want to be at public places very much, when you've got things going on, you want to try to extend the range of fuel so you don't have to go to the filling station to get more fuel. You can, when you double the capacity of fuel that your vehicle offers, you can fill up on days when the fuel is cheaper, or if you get around a place that's got I don't know, there's a special on fuel or whatever that is, cheaper fuel, you can stock up on fuel, save you a little bit of money. When you're traveling with your family, you don't have to stop as much, and less stops get you to your point of destination quicker. You know, Titan is a good company because not only do they offer stock tank replacements, but they offer in the bed replacements. They offer after the axle replacements. So some of these combinations of tanks, just depending on what your platform, you can add another, I don't know, quite a bit of fuel capacity to the truck. You know, some of these tanks, like this tank this is a replication of a stock tank that goes from 35 tank to 57 gallons. So, you know, you do 80 gallons in the bed or whatever, you're up over 100 gallons of fuel capacity. If you're going on a pretty good sized vacation, you're probably not going to have to stop to get fuel at any of these places. That keeps your family out of harm's way, keeps you in a fuel price that's not fluctuating or anything. Is just a better all the way, better for you all around. So that's what we wanted to do today. We wanted to talk about something that we offer that can help you in a time like this, and extended range fuel tanks is definitely going to be one of those products. So if you got a question about extended range fuel tanks, just let us know. You can get with us here in the comments and talk to us about it. If you got an extended range fuel tank, tell other guys that are out there shopping for them, tell them what you like about it, how much fuel range you get out of your truck, and so on. Share some of those stories with us as well. We're going to link you to our Titan page inside of this video where you can go to Titan and be able to buy one of their fine products. So if you have a question about anything, just give us a call. Thank you for watching.